If you're tired of yank-starting a loud, sputtering gas engine, dealing with messy oil changes, or smelling like exhaust every single time you cut the grass, you are going to want to pay close attention to this. Today, we are diving into a total game changer for your yard work: the EGO Power Plus cordless self-propelled lawn mower. Now, this isn't just your standard ordinary electric mower that bogs down the second it hits tall grass. This is a heavy-duty powerhouse engineered with select cut technology, featuring a multi-blade system that delivers the torque and cutting performance that actually exceeds gas mowers. The headline feature here is the effortless self-propelled system with a variable speed dial, meaning you can dial in your perfect walking pace and let the mower do all the heavy lifting for you. What I love about this particular LM2135SP combo is the insane value and runtime you get. It comes right out of the box with a massive 56-volt, 7.5 amp-hour battery, and a rapid charger. But what makes this specific bundle an absolute steal is that it includes an extra 5.0 amp-hour battery. That means you have a dual battery setup, ready to tackle even the largest lawns without ever having to pause and wait for a charge. Plus, look at how smart the design is. It starts instantly with the press of a button, features bright LED headlights for late evening cuts, and when you're done, the handles fold completely flat so you can store it upright, saving a ton of space in your garage. Whether you're dealing with thick, overgrown grass, navigating tough slopes, or just looking to upgrade to a cleaner, quieter, and more powerful mowing experience, it completely transforms how you maintain your property. If you are ready to stop sacrificing your weekends to gas-powered headaches and want a pristine lawn with half the effort, click the link below for the best price available right now. Trust me, you're back, and your neighbors will thank you.